On Tuesday, the U.S. Senate passed the Respect for Marriage Act. The U.S. House already passed their own version of the bill back in July. This bill would protect marriage for interracial couples and same-sex couples. First News reporter Desiree Gosselin spoke with an activist from a local LGBTQ+ center about what this landmark legislation means.
According to the U.S. Census, more than 500,000 same-sex couples would see their marital rights protected under the Respect for Marriage Act.
Just seeing with Roe versus Wade being rolled back, I never thought that could happen. Honestly, I didn't. And the thought is, our marriages could have been overturned.
Also, according to the U.S. Census Bureau, the percentage of married couple households that are interracial or interethnic grew across the United States from 7.4 to 10.2% from 2000 to 2012 through 2016. That bill would protect these couples, too.
Interracial marriage could have been overturned at some point. You know what I mean? There's all kinds of things that have been passed by the Supreme Court that they could turn around and say, hey, you know what? We want to take it back. And that's scary.
Tim Bortner with Full Spectrum says the passing of this law is not enough to protect the rights of marginalized groups like people of color and the LGBTQ+ community.
This is amazing news. It's great. I'm very happy. But there's still so much that needs to be done for our community. There's still rights for transgender people being taken away. There's still rights for people that are LGBT. Different states are taking away, like the Don't Say Gay bill. That there's a possibility of one of those happening here in the state of Ohio now.
That amended bill will now go back to the House for a final approval before being sent to President Biden's desk to be signed into law. Reporting in the newsroom, Desiree Gosselin, WKBN 27 First News.